Hello and welcome to the tour of Levil Aviation's production line. The first step is we get the blank boards in from our fabrication house, which is located in Tampa, Florida. What we do is we place the board inside of the paste machine and it's perfectly lined up. And then we paste the board. Once the board is pasted, we can then go to our next step. The pick and place machine holds the board securely in the center. Once the board is secured in the center, the machine can operate. We close the top and then it's good to go. Once the board has been fully populated by the pick and place machine, it's ready to go into the reflow oven. You place the board on top of the reflow oven and you press start. The board will enter the reflow machine and the paste will solidify the components to the board. The last step for the production line is quality control, putting any through-hole components, and any rework that may need to be done. All of our AHRSs go through temperature calibration, magnetometer calibration, and accelerometer calibration. This is our final calibration station. This calibrates our magnetometer. It cancels out the Earth's magnetic field so we can calibrate to a true north. This is our accelerometer calibration machine. It calibrates our accelerometers. And this is our assembly station, where we assemble all our final products. So just a couple parts that are the housing for the bomb. We have the front of the bomb, the main body of the bomb, and the turbine of the bomb. And this is our final product, the bomb. Everything is made here in-house, even the housing. This is one of the parts right here. It's the back of the nose. It's a very complex part that is made by our very own CNC machines. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Levil Aviation. Please check out our products on www.levilaviation.com.